Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload a stadium to the vault in MLB The Show 26. So uploading a stadium is really easy. First, from the main menu, go to top right and select create. In this menu we just need to select stadium creator. After that it will show you stadium creator menu. Now here you will see all of the stadiums you have created so far, but if you haven't created one, then just select this plus icon and it will open the stadium creator. From there you can start customizing your own stadium, and once you save your stadium it will appear in this list. Now to upload this stadium to vault, we just have to firstly select the stadium which we want to upload. So let's say I want to upload this stadium. I just need to highlight it. After that open more options by pressing square on PlayStation or X on Xbox. Now from this list we need to select upload, and then it will start uploading the stadium onto the vault. As you can see, I have got the upload successful message here. I just need to select OK. Now if I go to the vault recent uploads, I should be able to see my own stadium here. I need to refresh this page, and there you go. We have successfully uploaded our own stadium into the vault in MLB The Show 26. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.